Alright, boys, come on. What's going on, little weirdo? I want to make another video. I've done one before, but addressing the age-old question. Isn't an end-fed half-wave the noisiest damned antenna in the whole world? Well, I've been noticing something the last, the last couple weeks especially. I have a problem in my neighborhood in the afternoons with my noise on 40 meters, which is typically about S0 to S1. That's what it is once the nightmare goes away. In the afternoons, I've been having a noise level of S9 plus, and the last few days especially so. So you've seen it before probably. My end-fed comes out of my shack window and it wanders way on up into that tree and then drops down a bit, right? That's my end-fed. I use it on 80, 40, 20, whatever. Well, my dipole is up in those pine trees, and significantly, I think, the dipole runs in the same plane as the end-fed, okay? They're at about the same height, and although you can't see the dipole, it's up there. It's an inverted V configuration. But they lie in about the same plane. They're at about the same height. And let's go take a look at the noise level on my receiver. Hang on. Oh man, I'll bring you with me. I know how exciting it is. And gives me a chance to apologize for the babble factor in that last video. I wondered, man, did I really do that? Hang on. Okay, now you see, guys, that's my end-fed that comes in and goes up in my little extension loop inside the shack. That's the unknown. It's a worst case scenario, you know. Ideally, your unknown would be outdoors somewhere. Okay, check this crap out, man. I'll leave the volume up a little bit, but I'm going to get my phone to focus on the S meter. That was the vertical, by the way, which is not resonant. We're on 7.191. Antenna 2 is my end-fed. Okay, now look. I'm connected to tap number 5, which I see as per my little chart that I made is the correct tap for the 40 meter band, right? So I'm sorry about that, man. Let me get this to refocus. Antenna 2 is the end-fed. Antenna 3 is the dipole. Every afternoon, man. Antenna 2, the end-fed, I have a noise level of S3. It's usable, very usable. The end-fed was very usable. The dipole, 5 dB over 9. And you notice with both antennas, the dipole here, I don't have a preamp on or anything like that trying to make my video work. No preamp on the dipole. No preamp or attenuator on the end-fed. And there you go, guys. There you go. I can't say that your end-fed will be quieter than your dipole or your inverted V. But what I can say is this. Mine sure as heck is quieter. Every single afternoon when whatever is happening in my neighborhood to generate that noise, every afternoon my end-fed lets me still use 40 meters, whilst the inverted V is unusable until evening when things quiet down. I hope that was of some interest to you, and hopefully was I paid for my silliness in the last video. my family video. I didn't think anyone would watch it. I posted it for my family. So, and I figured, that way I don't have to, geez, man. So hopefully, I paid my penance for my goopiness with this. 73. Oh man, I forgot my outro. I'm sorry. Check out Jasmine Jams. Watch her play this Dire Straits song. She plays this more accurately than anyone else I think I've ever seen it. And I'll link it. Hang on, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. My God. Jasmine certainly does jam. That young woman is good. Take care, guys. 73.